Hi guys, I'm Nora. This time, I'll introduce how to make very simple and delicious chicken dish that is made with a small number of ingredients. Let's get started. Chicken, sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, grated garlic. That's it. First of all, use a hole to make a lot of holes in the chicken. Place in a heat-resistant container. Then apply sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, and garlic to the chicken. Cover it with plastic wrap or something and microwave it for 3 minutes. Turn the chicken over and heat it for another 2 minutes. The chicken will be cooked using a residual heat, so leave it as it is. When it's cool enough to touch, cut the chicken into pieces that are easy to eat. Put it back in the sauce left in the bowl and soak it until it is ready to eat. As an aside, Japanese plastic wrap is very easy to cut. It's delicious to eat as it is, but it's also delicious to eat on rice and sauce. Please try it. Thank you for watching until the end. The website I created shows you how to make such easy and delicious Japanese food. And I'm very happy if you subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Have a lovely day. See you next time.